Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. I am Prabhu KB, CEO of Fibocan. As you are aware, we are into the business of enabling wealth. We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, and enabling students, investors, and all our clients to make their own investment decisions through our innovative investment strategies. In every video, we discuss what happened, why it happened, what will happen, why, when, and how it will happen. Which is why we request everyone to watch the video till the end, click the bell icon, encourage a friends or known person to subscribe. Today is May 23, 2023, Tuesday. Bank Nifty closed 43,954.45, 0.16% up, while Nifty closed 0.18% up at 18,348. So, what happened? Bank Nifty and Nifty opened a gap up, and Nifty in particular opened significantly gap up. What I mean by significantly gap up? It opened above yesterday's high. That means it is a decisive gap up opening, but it could not stay at higher levels. Ultimately, it formed a kind of a shooting star type of a candle, but amateurs will go short at this stage, but professionals will exercise caution and wait for confirmation. What is the confirmation? If one would have gone short today, tomorrow if it opens gap up, the bears would have been dead. So professionals wait for the confirmation. But when we analyze the Bank Nifty and the other components, there is some amount of fatigue, I would say, coming in the banking stocks, because HDFC and HDFC banks, these two heavyweights, they are not able to go up because they are well below the Bollinger Middle Band, and in fact it is taking support at the 50-day moving average. That is where it is taking support, and it is just above the 2022 close. Whereas what is holding is on the banking side, ICICI Bank and Axis Bank, Kotak also fell, and the SBI is moving sideways. So you look at all these things are going sideways or down. So IT, which went up yesterday, today it fell, and particularly HCL, which ran up most, fell 1.5%. And Infears also, though it managed to go up, this is purely a short covering rally and nothing much to read into it. While people will say that no, IT stocks are a great buy now, still it has not shown any reversal. At least HCL is showing reversal, which I have told in this our channel many times. But Infi is not showing any reversal, whereas TechM is really looking strong. If it shows this strength and closes the end of this month this way, we can see that we consider TechM for a long-term horizon, because the last 10 months or so, it is hovering at this level without breaking below 955, but couldn't cross 1100 levels. That is where it is hovering for the last 10 months. So that is how it is. So with that background, we will go into today's stocks analysis. Before that, as always, our educational videos are put in English and Tamil. I would request and encourage everyone to watch the video. Encourage your friends, known person, particularly in the age group of 18 to 25 to watch, because it's going to improve their knowledge tremendously. So banks, IDFC, Kotak fell 1% and Yes Bank fell 1%. AU, Indus and SBI up by 1%. Bandhan had a big up move of 5%. So Bandhan, I said, fundamentally I don't know. Technically it was looking weak, but yes, it made a good up move today. But it managed to stay above the 200-day moving average. If it stays above that, probably it can be a buy from a technical perspective. One can consider. Financials, L&T Finance 1% down. Bajaj Finserv, Chola, IDFC, M&M and Manappuram 1% up. Seram up by 3%. If you recollect, many days I have told, yesterday in particular I told once again, Bajaj Finserv in particular, it is not going below that 200-day exponential moving average. If it breaks above that or below that, it will go up, and probability of going up is higher than that of down, because the lower time frames, when it's after all consolidation of lower time frames into higher time frames, right? Let's say a daily candle, when you consolidate, it becomes a weekly candle. Likewise, 1 hour candle you consolidate, it becomes 1 day candle. So when I consolidate the lower time frame candle, it shows that it is going to break on the upward direction. Precisely that is what had happened today itself. You can see the power of technical analysis. Insurance and cards, HDFC Life, ICICI General, ICICI Pru 1% down, SBI Life 1% up, LIC 2% up. Oil and telecom, both Bharti and Reliance remained flat. IT, most of it fell today. Birlasoft, Coforge, SCL Tech, Intellect, LTTS, Emphasis, Techem, all fell 1%. LTI Mindtree fell 2%. Infi moved up by 1%, but there is no strength in the Infi up move. So just be cautious. Don't enter at this stage in Infi now. On the consumer goods, Coalpal and Titan 1% down. Asian Paints, Berger, ITC 1% up. ABFRL 2% up. Others remain flat. Automobiles, Ashok Leyland, Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Auto 1% down. Bharat Forge, Eicher, Aero Motor, Tata Motors 1% up. TVS and Motherson 2% up. On the metals, Jindal fell 1%. Hindalco, NMDC, Tata Steel and SAIL 1% up. JSW looks like a turnaround candidate. So one with a long-term horizon can seriously consider this. Health, APL, Apollo and Sun Pharma 1% down. Cipla and Metropolis 1% up. Thyrocare 2% up. Divi's had a big up move of 4%. In the others category, L&T, Havels, India Mart, Indigo, Polycab, Ultratech all down 1%. DLF down 2%. After many days of up move and significant uptrend, it is just a pullback profit booking. Nothing much to worry if somebody is holding it at this stage, at least now. Unless otherwise it reverses and breaks below the 200-day moving average, one need not worry about it. Aries, Jubilant Food, Nykaa and UPL up by 1%. APL Apollo up 4%. MCX up by 5%. Delta Corp 6% up. Adani Enterprise 13% up. Yes, you heard it correctly, 13% up. Once again, I say that these are all news driven. The news turned out to be positive. That's why it is going. Tomorrow, some negative news comes, it will go down. So, hence, please do not chase a news driven stocks. With all these things, what is the level that we expect? Bank Nifty, we expect the resistance to be at the weekly upper band, above the weekly upper band, which is at 44,721. The support is at 2022 close, which is nothing but 42,986.40. We expect Nifty resistance to be at above the daily upper band, which is at 18,610. Resistance at support at 17,889, which is nothing but the 50-day exponential moving average. Thank you very much.